lips look so beautiful. Hello friends, welcome back. Today's video is on Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Stick High Shimmer Gloss Stick. Like, it's a mouthful. So I have 3 shades with me. How many carats? Gloss Bomb Sticks in Flamingo, Fling and Fuzzy. So these are the 3 shades that I'm going to try it right now on my lips. Let's clear. Lips are dry. Let's start with the shade Fuzzy, as I loved the Fuzzy Gloss Bomb gloss. And this is how it looks. It has blue flecks in it. Blue flecks. So let's apply this on my lips. Looks so, I truly feel very hydrating. It has a pink and blue flecks. So this is how Fuzzy looks on my lips. Next, let's apply the shade Flamingo Fling. So it leaves glitter even after wiping. So let's apply Flamingo Fling. This is how vibrant the shade Flamingo Fling looks. It has silver glitters, silver and pink glitters, shimmer particles. This is just a one swipe. Now the multiple. It feels very moisturizing. Now let's apply my favorite among all these is How Many Carats. So this is how it looks. It's white in color. One swipe is enough for this one. This is how it looks. It has silver shimmer particles. And this is how it looks on my lips. So pretty. This is my favorite among all the shimmer sticks. So this was all the shimmer sticks that I have right now. So this was all the lip application on my lips. So it's a bye for today. My lips look so beautiful. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe for more videos like these. See you in my next video.